If you think dropshipping is only about selling cheap products, no brand, no loyalty, no future, then stop watching right now. But if you want to build a real brand that customer trust, remember, and buy again and again, this video can completely change your business. Because the truth is, dropshipping isn't dead. Lazy dropshipping is. Hey guys, 𝗀𝗁 here. Today I'm answering one of the most misunderstood question in e-commerce. Can you actually build a brand using dropshipping? Not just make a quick money, not just run ads for 30 days, but build something long term. The answer is yes, but only if you stop dropshipping in the beginner way. Why most people think branding plus dropshipping is impossible? Let's be honest, most dropshipping stores fail because of same AliExpress product, same supplier images, 20 to 30 day shipping, no logo, no packaging, no customer support, even no trust. Customers don't remember your store, they don't recommend it, they don't come back. They say that's not a brand, that's one-time transaction. Your store is not failing because of ads, your store fails because of nobody trusts you. What a brand really means. Branding is not just a logo, a color, or a fancy website. Branding means how people feel when they buy from you. Do they feel safe, excited, confident, and taken care of? And this is where supplier choice decide your future. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They treat supplier like a product link, but brand work with a partner, not with a random supplier. That's why I personally use Fulfillman.com, not as a supplier, but as a brand building partner. Brand starts with a product quality. You cannot build a brand if product breaks, look cheap, and arrive damaged. Fulfillment does quality inspection before shipping. That means no junk products, no surprises for customer, fewer refunds, better review. On Fulfillman.com, they offer private labeling. If you want to scale, you cannot sell generic items forever. You need to build a brand. This is where Fulfillment allow you to add your logo to the product. You can create custom packaging and boxes. You can even include flyers or business cards in the box that you can ship directly to your customer. And this everything stop you from looking like a random dropshipping site and make you look like a real and established brand. But hold on, branding means nothing if your shipping is slow. If your store shows longer delivery time, your customer won't think twice. They just leave and won't buy from your store. But this not gonna happen to you if your partner is Fulfillman.com, because Fulfillment has their own private shipping line that ship the product 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy, and Spain, 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Customer don't ask, is this dropshipping? They said, wow, that was fast. That means speed is branding as well. Plus, they have their own warehouse in China. If you have a winning product, you can store your inventory into their warehouse for free to speed up the processing time. Nobody talk about this, but this one is a huge. What happened when package is lost? And what happened if the item is damaged and customer want a return? But Fulfillment offers excellent return and refund policy. They return if the product is damaged, resend wrong item for free, and they handle the return themselves. Strong return and refund system build a strongest brand than a fancy ad. A simple store depends on ads. A brand depends on a trust. With Fulfillment, you can store inventory for free, scale winning product, add a private labeling, and finally move towards a real business. And this is how 6 to 7 figure dropshipper operates. Fulfillment also offers professional photography service directly in-house. If you need those clean white background hero shot images to evaluate your brand, they can shoot for you. Let's say you're selling clothes. They can shoot cosmetical photography so that your customer can see fit and shape without model distracting them. Selling high-ticket items like jewelry, they have a specific lighting setup to make it look like premium. Stop using pixeled image you found online. Just send a sample to Fulfillman.com and they will shoot for you professionally. And watch your conversion rate double. Now, for those of you who are looking to go beyond to just a Shopify store, Fulfillment handles the big league too. If you're selling on Amazon, they offer streamlined Amazon FBA solution, handling the labeling, quality inspection, and shipping directly to Amazon warehouse. Or if you're launching a product on Indigo or Kickstarter, they have dedicated crowdfunding fulfillment service. They integrates directly with your campaign to ship rewards to backer globally. Plus, they can seamlessly integrate with any of your favorite e-commerce platform like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, WooCommerce, and more. You don't deal with headaches, you just focus on scaling your ads. If you're still using random AliExpress supplier, copy-pasting product, ignoring shipping and packaging, you're not building a brand, you are just gambling. But if you want longevity, you need infrastructure. But if you are serious about building a real brand using dropshipping, head over to Fulfillman.com. On their website, click on a get a free code button and start building your real brand with Fulfillman.com. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.